the second one, the factorize about 45x squared minus 5. So let's try to find out here how do we factor out here. So first, we're going to factor out the greatest common factor, or the GCF here. So since we have 45, that's going to give us with about, so we have, let's write out here, 45x squared minus 5. So let's try to factor out this one then. So that's going to give us with 5 times 9x squared minus 1. Okay. Now, we're going to be able to recognize the difference here of the square and the expression inside the pattern. So we were able to see out inside the pattern, now, parenthesis down here, we have 9x squared minus 1. Now, this fits out the pattern that we have in which, okay, so let's write out here, in which, if you remember out the pattern of this equation, then we have a squared minus of b squared is equals to a minus b and a plus b then. Okay. So looking out in here, we can find that a would be about 3x and b would be equals to 1. All right. So I think we got that one right. Now,
Yes.
okay, now moving on for that there. So let's just try to put that one in expression down there. Okay, so we have 5 times 3x squared minus 1 squared and okay. Now let's go try to express out down here all about here then. So that's going to give us 5 times 3x minus 1, and the other would be 3x plus 1. Oh, okay. Now, after getting out all the expressions, so we able to see out the final answer then. So the answer would be 5 times 3x minus 1 times 3x plus 1 then. Okay, so this would be the final answer then.